This video shows how to get your data from Angular to get rid of the error, which is called here access to a XMLHttp request at something else. Local address from origin has been blocked by CORS policy. No access control allow origin header is present on the requested resource. So what I want to do is here I have a local Angular application and I want to get the data from the code behind here. This is my ASP.NET Core application. So what you have to do, if you have already created your data model and your controller, this is my controller where the data comes from, and everything is fine there. This is my get my records. Then what you need there is you go into your startup file, and inside the startup file you push this small record lines in there. Services, AddCors. Options goes to options, add a policy. Now the name of the policy, which is called now allow access to API, allow origins, allow any method, allow any header. And then this is in the block configure services. And then you also have to say here under the block configure. So this is the configure the services. And now we embed this stuff in the configure. This app should use CORS, and now this service which we have there. Now I've enabled those lines. I push the express button, and now as you see from my Swagger, I see there are the values. Try it out. There's the API for my time records, and now these are my values. Now these are my two rows of a table. And when I look on my Angular application, now this is my application, and inside there is now my my two records, and you see there's no error in there anymore. And furthermore, I have now to write these two records, which are observable objects, to a local model. But the main item topic on this point was how to add the AddCors and how to get now access to our API wherever it is.